me one small chance to love you fair. But I'm getting tired now. Where are we really going? Tell me honestly, is this where it all ends? She was your yesterday, I'm the one here today. She broke your fragile heart, I was there to heal your pain. So why is it still her that you can't let go? I truly loved you, I swear. Please don't go back to her. All the pain that she gave you, still I stayed right by your side. I just asked for one chance to love you the way she couldn't try. But I'm getting tired now. Where is this leading us? Tell me honestly, is this just a pause for us? She was your yesterday, I'm the one here today. She shattered all your dreams, I was there to ease the pain. So why is it still her that you won't forget my love? I truly loved you, I swear. Please don't go back to her. She was your yesterday, I'm the one here today. She broke your wounded heart, I try to make you whole again. So why is it still her that you keep choosing love? I truly loved you, I swear. I truly loved you, I swear. So please protect my heart too. I'm the one who's here now. Why is it still her